carrying forward the legacy of excellence and service of Mrs. Pedestinda Armeda Consuelo. Given his 20th day of June at the College of Pharmacy, UP Manila, during the UPCP Alumni Homecoming, signed by Dean Mac R. De Gloria, Ms. Jerry Quanson, and yours truly.
Good morning to all of you. Thank you so much for this special and unique award. I am deeply honored to receive it. I wish to share this with our amazing team, to my supportive dean, as well as to the chairman and president of the Alumni Association, Homecoming, and most especially to the Consunji family. This award is not just a recognition of past work, it is a manifestation and a great motivator for what we wish to achieve next. Thank you again in believing in what we do. God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday,
Papa!
Happy 80th birthday! Wow, tanda na. Pero baby pa rin sa bahay. Love you, Lola Ray.
Madaming nagsasabi sa akin na generous ako. Nakuha ko daw sa jeans mo, sabi ni Papa. Thank you. Miss ko na ikaw.
Hello, Papa Ray. Happy 80th birthday. Praying and wishing na continue magkaroon ng good health at saka happy life. And happy kami ni Nini kasi mas nababantayan yung pagkain mo ngayon. Sana lang, wag laging nasa kwarto. Magkaroon lang din ng mga parang isometric na simple exercises para healthy pa rin yung mga muscles, hindi mag-atrophy.
Papa, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging mahaba pa buhay mo. Sana makasama ka pa namin ng many years. Sana ialagaan mo sarili mo, enjoy mo yung company nila Ate Marisa at nila Don, tsaka nila Kuya Rofel, at nila Ate Rosana, tsaka nila Ate Ging. Kahit wala kami dyan, alam mo naman na lagi kita iniisip. Lahat ng na-achieve ko sa life ko, very thankful ako dahil ginaid mo ko. Thank you sa lahat, Papa. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!